Only a true animal lover knows these lifespans. Last two are impressive. Number 1. This creature can live for over 200 years. Green sea turtle, known for its very short life. Mayfly. Can you guess this long-living mammal? Bowhead whale. Comment the longest living animal. Number 4. This animal can live up to 50 years. African gray parrot, famous for living a long time in tanks. Koi fish. Number 6. This creature can live for many years. Macaw. What about this animal that can live for 30 years? Domestic cat.